Alright, hey, what's up?
Hey, man, I'm about to go skydiving.
All day, too, right?
All day, all day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, man, we're going to get going here pretty quick. Actually, here comes the bus right now, and you see these folks are landing. Yeah. And just pulled right in front of my shot, too.
I know. It's beautiful, man. I can't wait.
Alright, man. You know how high we're going?
I don't know. It's like 1,300 feet?
13,000 feet, I hope. 1,300 feet's a little low.
Okay.
But we're going to go have some fun right now.
All right.
Let's do it. We're on our way over to the plane. Here we go.
All right. Cool, man. Yeah.
All right, all day. We're going right now, man. Woo! What's up?
That was the craziest experience of my entire life, man.
Yeah? What do you think? You do it again?
I would definitely do it again. I thought I was going to die. The sound of the air rushing past your ears that took me was nothing I've ever heard. I mean, it was crazy.
But enjoyable, right?
But enjoyable, man. I mean, heart is pounding. I've never done anything like that again. I mean, never done anything like that before, but I would definitely do it.
That's what we like to hear, man. We love new skydivers. Thank you so much for coming out to Skydive Sacramento to jump with me today. Give me a big high five. We'll see you next time all day.
See you, man. Can't wait.